Thanks for previous answer. Nikah without wali is valid or not? It's not valid according to my understanding, because hadith says la nikaha illa bi waliyin wa shahidain. The Rasul has said that the nikah is invalid without the wali. So now the thing is that there are school of thought, they say that if not, then what is the ruling about people who do court marriages? People who do court marriages, according to the country law, it's accepted. But if a person wants to know, that what is the ruling in Islam as a Muslim, then I know that the hadith says that there is no validity for the nikah if a woman, she marries somebody by her choice without the consent of the wali. So wali can be her father, wali can be any male person from her father's family if the father is not there. And if the person is a new Muslim and there is no... Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, Sahil. Jazakallah khair for joining us. Ask your mother, father, everybody, and ask your friends as well to join us, inshallah. So, when we talk about wali in the nikah, definitely civil marriages are accepted. Because see, before Islam, Rasulullah he married to Khadija. So, but when Islam came, Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. When Islam came, he didn't renew his nikah. And his daughters were also married before that, before Islam. And when they became Muslim, he didn't renew the nikah. So that shows that nikah before Islam or nikah by the civil court is accepted generally by the law. But if a person knows about the Sharia law and the person is a Muslim, then this is the condition that it has to be wali. And if a person has come into Islam, a woman, she has accepted Islam and she was Hindu or Christian or any faith that she was believing in. And in that case, if her father is not supporting her, or any male person from her family, father's family, is not supporting her and not standing next to her for the nikah, then the imam who is going to conduct the nikah for her, if she wants to marry, then imam will become the wali for her. But generally, whether woman is a divorcee or a virgin woman marrying for the first time, or a woman who is a widow, if they are conducting the nikah anytime, first nikah or second nikah or third nikah, or due to any other reason, then they have to have a wali regardless of, the status of the woman. Alhamdulillah.